Okay, we drilled out these broken studs and retapped them. Can you see the threads?
Yeah.
On all of them?
Yeah.
And we only had 4 new studs. The rest are in order.
Okay.
Ordered to be here tomorrow. Then we can put the manifolds on, gaskets on both sides, and hook up the transmission. We're waiting for parts. And this is a serial number off the block in case Steve wants the information. 09295. Yeah.
Okay.
That's the only identification I can see here.
Okay.
I don't know. He'll look it up if I phone him tomorrow.
So what do you got on the table over here? What do you got on the table over here?
And on both sides. And over here, this is the exhaust pipe. It wasn't true.
Okay.
These were bent, but now, as you come on this side, you can see it's level.
Okay.
It has to be like that for the gasket. Okay. And I'm just cleaning up the valve covers here. They're all washed up. And we're going to put new gaskets and silicone on.
Okay. What was the shape of these before you started? Was it pretty dirty, or?
Yeah, they're dirty, especially on one side. And then on this manifold here, no, not that one. This manifold, the butterfly valve was seized. So what we done was knocked the pin out and took the butterfly valve right out because it was closed.
Okay.
I don't know how the engine run good the way it did.
Okay.
But this is out now. We're going to stick this one back on. It's all cleaned up, ready to go.
Okay.
We're too short. So they put a clamp on here.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm going to do is take that clamp off, the plate and the spring, and I'll weld a new chunk of pipe in here so it sticks out. And that's about it for today. He's pulling the rods out of there. That's not the throttle rod, is it?